Yes.
Thanks for the indulgence, my lord.
Yes, sir.
Yes, before I move officially to Exhibit EE and Exhibit RR, I just want you to get a comment from you that it is your version before this court that prior to the statement before Magistrate Kronje, you were not assaulted.
Ngaphambilini kokuthi ngidlulele kokunyeke, ngifuna nje ukwenza isiqiniseko sokuthi uthi ubufakazi bakho noma kuyinkulumo yakho phambi kwale nkantolo ukuthi ngaphambilini kokuthi wenze istatement ku magistrate awukazi ushaywe.
On that day,
Ngalela langa 24 lezi zika June 2020 ngaphambilini kokuthi nje ukhulume no magistrate awusha abazange bakushaye.
Kosenkantolo ngethemba mina angisho ukuthi ngishayiwe mangiyang magistrate ngishilo ukuthi mangiphume police station bengihambisa khona ngangazi igubha zange ngithi ngishayiwe mina.
My lord, I did say
ngalelo le 24 azange ngithi ngishayiwe lo langa le ngishawe late.
I did say before this court that when I was taken out of the police station, I didn't know where I was taken to, but I wasn't assaulted on that day. I was assaulted later.
okay. Now let us briefly touch with Exhibit RR. Now the 24th of June, Mjiyako was there, and then you subsequently appear again after the 22nd of June. There's an appearance, court not working, 29 June 2020, and then case postponed to 13 July 2020. And Mr. Mjiyako was on record on your behalf.
If possible, can we just get copies of what's being read?
Just only 13 July, Mr. Jonas. 13 July 2020.
But it's
Mr.
fair to give a
Mjiyako
document
on
when you read, please.
This one. Okay.
Thanks. Ilona ke leli langa 13 kuJuly kuona ke unyaka ka 2020 ubhaliwe ke lapha nomsolo oqala bakubhala ubumeli ke uMr Mjiyako.
Do you confirm that he did appear on your behalf on this date?
Engabe uyavuma yini ukuthi ngalo leli langa leli kwakuyena owayekumele?
Kosenkantolo ngiphinde ngicacise le mina ngithi kosenkantolo maningi amalanga engeke ngabe court eRustenburg ngifica kuthiwa kune corona into ayenzeka ngaphakathi angiyazi uma ilanga azodwa ngalokutheza msho kuzi 13 angena ngecourt ngaphakathi.
My lord, may I explain this again, that there were many days or a number of days that I had gone to Rustenburg to court, but I never went inside a court, my lord, as to what it is that happened inside. I don't know, I wouldn't know, my lord.
Okunye kosenkantolo mina noMjiyako azange safisana eRustenburg face to face ngamehlo umuntu wayemthumele ngafika ngamxosha usisi lo ngalazi igama lakhe namhlanje.
And my lord, the other thing that I would like to add is that myself and Mjiyako never met face to face, my lord. The person that he had sent and whose mandate I terminated was a lady, my lord.
Okay, before we waste time with this exercise, are you telling this court that Mjiyako never, ever appeared on your behalf at Rustenburg or Tlhabane Magistrate Court?
Ngaphambilini kokuthi ke sichithe isikhathi ke kuludaba lolu ingabe uthi akakaze nje kwanhlobo uMjiyako sorry okay.
My lord, at the beginning of the proceedings this morning, amongst other things, when my learned colleague, Advocate Baloyi, addressed the court, he intimated to the court that he has requested the transcribed records of all the appearances in Tlhabane Magistrates Court until the matter was transferred for trial in the regional court in Rustenburg. So to expect him to answer when we don't have that record, it's unfair to him, my lord, as the court proceeds.
Yeah, Mr. Slanda, they say you don't know your story.
But my lord, the record is before court. The appearances are there. You can just say no, it never appeared, and then we'll deal with the issue of the transcribed record at the later stage. He was led on this document as well.
The point, my lord, is the following. What is noted here ordinarily is the summary by the magistrate. As we saw with the recordings from Boxback, when the transcripts come, something in addition is said to what is noted here. So it's unfair to expect him to answer.
So you want us to postpone for the records, sir?
That's what we were thinking at the end of his cross-examination, so that we can, the 48 hours, then we resume on Monday.
Mr. Sebande, you say,
My Lord, Advocate Baloyi will address the court if he may be allowed on that aspect.
My Lord, we've just received communication from the court manager in Rustenburg at 16 minutes past 2. He says the case is transcribed, will email immediately. So if we adjourn until tomorrow, I'm sure the record
Okay.
will be available.
it's long, ne? Emailed immediately. It's like getting to the moon without throwing bones.
Kunodaba ke lana Mr Ntanzi ke ebesakubuza ke umshushisi ngalolu wabese ummeli wakhe seyaveza ukuthi ekseni ke sizoqala ke lana ushilo umshushisi ke uadvocate Baloyi ukuthi ke ukhulumile necourt manager yase Rustenburg washo ke ukuthi ke bazobheka ukuthi bangathumela nini ke konke lokho ngathi wawuvela ke enkantolo yase Rustenburg uqeda ukusho ke manje ukuthi umphendulile court manager wathi ke onke lamaphepha afunwayo ke alokho kwakwenzeka ngathi wawuvela enkantolo yase Rustenburg bazowathunyelwa ke.
Yebo Nkosi.
Understood, my
For
lord.
those reasons, then we adjourn until tomorrow. at 10.
Sizoqhubeka kusasa ke. Sibanda. Okay. Bazo kuthola lamaphepha bawafunde.